Hello teacher, my name is Camilo Esteban, Web Approach. Presentation of question. How has technology changed human lives in your community? Better academic performance, hope offer, family communication. Benefit with environmental transport. What positive and negative aspect do you think your community has in the use of technology today? Age of work. Children for video gamers, causing harm to humans. Thefts of information from the community. Benefit for young people with higher education. Teacher, thank you. Bye bye.